the mountains, the forest recover. This is part of its regeneration cycle. It's helpful to understand that it also grows, it also heals, it's living. Fire is part of nature. We cannot dominate it. We have to live with it. We have to accept it. This is a way for us to helpfully understand the power of nature and be able to heal from devastating events, to recognize that there is life that still continues, the things that still function, the animals that are still here, the beauty that is still present is just an evolutionary cycle in our environment. There are many aspects of conservation that tribes have been practicing traditionally that now have become recognized as being very valuable to the science of conservation. Our organization is beginning to learn and understand how to utilize that, how to protect it, how to share it among other partners.
Well, my name is Michael Chavarria. I serve as the governor for Santa Clara Pueblo here in New Mexico. So our land is considered a traditional cultural property. It's a spiritual sanctuary. It's an outdoor cathedral. It's a place of worship. Traditional ecological knowledge, which is now termed nature-based solutions, engineering with nature. These are very important things that our people at Puyi have done over the years. So now in 2023, we're utilizing those same concepts to put back on the ground, which is very important. But also going back to speaking with your elders, because they're going to give you that knowledge of what you need to do on the landscape. And it's our job to now work with the federal partners, the state partners, the non-governmental organizations, the philanthropic community, to then implement these work on your land. It's your land, so it's up to you to determine the outcome of that. But don't be scared, you already have that knowledge within the heart, your mind, and your soul. So it's a matter of what Grandpa and Grandma have taught you. Now it's our turn to reiterate those same lessons back to our partners, which is very important. Just do the best you can and let you take the lead. You're the leader, and let them follow. The contractors and agencies will come and go, but we have to live with what's being implemented.